Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at empirical formula and empirical calculations, molecular formula and molecular calculations, and finally an exam style question.
Empirical formula, what is it? Well, it's the simplest way of showing a chemical formula of a compound, and it's given in a simple whole number ratio. So let's have a look at calculation so I can show you what this means. 6.2 grams of P, phosphorus, is combined with oxygen to form 14.2 grams of phosphorus oxide. Find the empirical formula of the compound that is formed. Now, when we're doing these types of calculations, there are certain steps that need to be taken, and if you follow these stages whenever you're given a calculation to find the empirical formula, you'll be sure to find the right answer. So step 1, let's write down the mass of the elements that we have. So the elements that we have are phosphorus and oxygen, and the mass that we have, I'll write it in blue just to differentiate, as we said here, 6.2 grams of phosphorus. Now, we don't know exactly how much oxygen we have, but we know that when phosphorus and oxygen are combined, we have 14.2. Therefore, the difference between this number and this number must be made of oxygen because nothing else is being added here. So we can find the mass of oxygen by doing 14.2 minus 6.2 to give us 8 grams of oxygen. So, step 2 of our calculation is to find the relative atomic masses of the elements that we have. Just write that down here. Now we can find out the relative atomic masses from looking at the periodic table. And if we do that, we would see that the relative atomic mass of phosphorus is 31 and oxygen is 16. Now, if you're unsure how to find the relative atomic mass, have a look at one of our previous videos to find that out. So now we're into step 3. Now that's to work out the number of moles of each substance that we have. Now, if you think back to our video on moles, we used the calculation number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. And if you look here, what we've got is a mass and a molar mass. So to find the number of moles will be quite easy. What we'll need to do is we'll need to divide.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.